Okay, I'm just trying to make. Oh, I've missed my entry. I hope I can still enter. I'm just trying to make one single trade, and so that I can round it up to like $100. Um, it has not pulled through yet. It's struggling a bit. Okay, I'll have to pause. When it's done, I'll be back. Okay, the trade has pulled through. I only traded for like 26%. That's $13. It's not yet up to 100, so I'll have to do one more trade. Okay, I just placed another trade. Wow, this one was very fast. Okay, that's another 26. That's 50%. Okay, now it's 109, so I can start a new trading pattern. I'll be right back. Okay, I just entered just one trade. Let's see how fast this will be. I'm just trying to do trade with $100 just to make like $25. It's not pulling through immediately, so I'll have to pause. Wow, I just wanted to pause before it pulled through. So that's 26% pull through. Okay, so I've done like 4 trades now in this video. Let me do one more. I have to check for signal. Okay, just place a trade. This will be my last trade for this trading section. Actually, you're hearing a lot of background noise. I'm actually in the toilet. And I have to pause this. Oh, has it pulled through? Okay. Every time I'm trying to pause, that's when it pulls through. So it's amazing. All right, now. So I started this account actually with like $30. Now $30 I've made 163. That's like $130 profit. I've always been saying this, anybody can do this. Today is Sunday morning. The time is 6:41 a.m. Almost to 7. Anybody can always do this, but you see, you require the necessary training for you to be able to do this. Don't just go and start because you're seeing barrier or set and you say, oh, let me also set this and start doing it. No, that's not how it works. First, you need to know the direction of the market, and you need to know how to be able to flow and follow the market, how to control your greediness, how to control your losses, your profit, how to be self-disciplined. These are skills you have to acquire through the training. If you do not have money for paid training, I have a free training on my channel on YouTube. All you need to do is to subscribe for it, and you are okay. I think I can do one trade, just one. I didn't check my chart anymore, but I had to do the trade because I saw the movement of the bar moving very fast. So I knew I could enter that trade that way. So you see, you have to be trained to be able to do this. Else your capital will be at risk. You can visit my website. I was talking about the free training. Get to my YouTube channel. You will see a free training. Go to subscribe to my channel, click on the playlist, and you will be able to access my free training.